In this video, I'll be going over dividing whole numbers by unit fractions. So let's jump right in to our first example. 6 divided by 1/3. So the important thing to remember when we divide fractions is that we need to keep, switch, and flip. Okay, so we keep by keeping this number. Switch, we will switch the division to multiplication, and then we will flip the numerator to the denominator and denominator to the numerator. So if we rewrite, it will look something like this. 6 times 3/1. And now we convert the whole number to a fraction. You can always put a 1 in the denominator as it won't change the value of the whole number. And that converts it to a fraction. So 6/1 times by 3. 6 times 3 is 18. And 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer we have is 18. And for visualization purpose, you could imagine 6 boxes. And you need to divide them in the groups of 1/3. So 6 divided by 1/3. I'm going to go and rewrite this so you can see it clearly. So each of these boxes will be divided in groups of 1/3. 1/3 will look something like this. That's 1/3. And that's 2/3. And that's 3/3. So that's a whole. And then we would literally do it the same way with the rest of the boxes. Now, after you do that, how many of these 1/3 do you end up with? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 of them. That is the exact same answer as when we use keep, switch, and flip. So this is one way where you could kind of verify that you've done the problem correctly. Now let's try this one. 4 divided by 1/6. Now we're going to do the same thing where we're going to keep the 4. Now we're going to switch the division to multiplication, and then we're going to flip. So 6/1. And then we're going to change the whole number to a fraction. And now we can multiply across. 4 times 6 is 24. 1 times 1 is 1. And the answer is 24. Now to see it in action from the visualization, we have 4 boxes like so. And this time we're going to do 1/6. So that's 1/6 here. The drawing may not be perfect, but I think you get the idea that it's basically 6 equal pieces per box. And we'll do the same here and here. Here. And now we're going to count how many we are left with. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the answer would be the same as if we divide the fraction and using keep, switch, flip. And now we have a quiz question for you. What is 8 divided by 1/4? You may go ahead and pause the video, and I'll be back in 10 seconds to reveal the answer. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully you've used keep, switch, flip, and keep the 8, changed division to multiplication, and flipped 4 and 1, like so. Then convert the a to a over 1, cross multiply 32 over 1, which the answer end up with 32. And if you get this correct, great job, you've mastered this lesson. Now I do have a video that explains in detail on why do we do keep, switch, and flip, and it will be available at the end of this video. And this is one of those questions that's being asked a lot. Why do we keep, switch, and flip when dividing fractions? So I would suggest watching it so that you have a better understanding of why we do that. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.